Why do we get hiccups? Answer: hiccups happen because the diaphragm suddenly contracts. Explanation: hiccups can be annoying because they start out of nowhere. This happens when the diaphragm, a muscle, starts to spasm. This causes the vocal cords in the throat to suddenly close, making the hic sound. Eating too much or drinking too many carbonated beverages can trigger hiccups. Summary: most hiccups go away quickly, so there's no need to worry. But if they last a long time, you should see a doctor. To stop hiccups, you can try holding your breath or drinking cold water. Give these methods a try. If you found this interesting, please like and follow. See you next time.